Hi guys, so today I will be talking about the garlic butter naturally flavored Ritz crackers. I just want to show you guys what the box looks like before I get started talking about these. So it says per 5 crackers. So guys, these are just 5 crackers. 80 calories, 1 gram of saturated fat, 110 milligrams of sodium, and 1 gram of sugar. The net weight is 13.7 ounces, and I believe that's for the whole box. And then it just says serving suggestion over here. And yeah, 388 grams. So, getting started about these crackers. Ritz was always like such a foreign brand to me growing up. Like, my parents never really purchased these crackers just because I come from such a big household, and this box would probably be gone in like 2 days. And even now, what's really funny is that I live by myself and I actually purchase these on my own. This box is usually gone within 2 days. So I can only imagine if like my mom purchasing this for all of me and my siblings, it'd probably be gone the same day, to be honest. But yeah, this brand was such a foreign brand to me. And I remember, if anybody is like, I remember growing up and like going to certain events. I used to always have like dance recitals and things like that. At the little refreshment tables, it would always be Ritz crackers and like cheese or like meat or like spinach dip or anything, chicken salad. Like, it would always be with like these crackers. And I used to always tell my mom every time we went to the store, like, please, 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 please. So my mom like never caved in. I think it wasn't until like my sophomore year of high school, my mom ended up making tuna salad. And there's like, I don't know, this is kind of like a weird debate that I was like having, because like I love tuna, but I hate it with bread. I only eat tuna with crackers. And my mom made tuna salad and she was like, oh my goodness, there's no more crackers. And like, it's like half of my siblings eat it with bread, the other half won't eat it with bread. So it's kind of like, my mom was like, okay, like, need crackers. And so my dad was already out and my mom was like, just text your dad and ask him to pick up crackers. And I remember, guys, the biggest finesse of my life. I texted my dad and was like, mommy said pick up Ritz crackers for the tuna salad. And I'm sorry, guys, like, probably a stupid story, but that's the first time I actually ate Ritz crackers, like within like my own, like the own comfort of my home. And I was so happy. I remember even taking the box and like stashing one of these little packs of it. And so I was so happy. Like, my day was made as a child. But yeah, so after that, my mom got mad and we never really purchased them anymore. But the minute I hit college and I could do whatever I wanted to do, I definitely started purchasing Ritz crackers by myself. I love these crackers so much. Even the original ones are really good, but these are my favorite Ritz crackers. If you guys don't like garlic butter or like just like the garlicky taste, I don't suggest getting these crackers, because a lot of times when things says garlic butter, you can't really taste like the garlic. In my opinion, sometimes it's just like a buttery taste. But guys, these crackers, you really can taste the garlic. So if you guys really aren't interested in like garlic butter or like just the garlic taste of it, I suggest not getting them. The original crackers on its own is very savory, and those do taste very buttery, but these ones, just the garlic is just amazing. And I am a big fan of like garlic butter and just garlic in general, and so these are my favorite crackers. I want to tell you guys what I use these for. So if anybody's interested or in like, I have ever heard of like the travel size Ritz or like the smaller size Ritz, which are like, I want to say about half this pack, and it comes in like a 12 count, I believe. It might be a little bit smaller than half that pack, but it's about this serving size actually, guys, right here. On the box, this serving size, that's about how many come in the little tiny travel packages. That is what I usually get. The only reason I got these is because we were having like a potluck for my sorority, and I ended up purchasing like 3 of these boxes, and I made spinach dip. But yeah, so I suggest if you live by yourself and you're not trying to feed multiple people, get the smaller packages of this. But anyway, the cracker is going to taste the same either way. I did pull a package out because I wanted to show you guys. So the Ritz cracker in general are famous for these little brown little bags that they keep to keep the sealness and keep the freshness of the cracker. This is how like one long bag of this looks, and it just has all these little good tasting crackers in there. Something that me and one of my roommates does is, because we do go halvesies sometimes when buying these, we'll cut it in like the center. If we plan on eating it in one sitting, we'll cut it in the center and then we'll just go halvesies with it. Another thing that I found to keep them fresh is if you guys have tin cans and you do open them and you don't trust the whole twisting it at the top part, something else that like me and my roommates tend to do is we tend to put it in tin cans. I don't know why, but that kind of conserves the freshness of the product. Something else cool that like I seen one of my other roommates does is she'll take like a little hair clip and she'll clip it to the top. Or something that I personally do is I throw them in the fridge and I'll like twist the top, but I'll just like put it in the fridge and it won't get stale. To me, it's just like a cold cracker, which I love eating with chicken salad and stuff. But getting started on that, some cool things that I like doing with these crackers is I love dressing them up. I'll make spinach dip like I mentioned a little bit earlier. Chicken salad's my all-time favorite. Tuna salad, love tuna salad. Or you can just go the casual typical way and just do the cheese and the meat, which is also not bad too. Or if you guys want to make homemade Lunchables, that's a thing that you guys can do with these too. But like I said, these are just like the Ritz crackers, garlic butter, naturally flavored ones, and these are so good and I like these so much.